welcome back to Lovely Lovebird Designs. We found some Kinder Surprise eggs at the food store today, and we're excited to open them up and see what we have. We have a couple different kinds, some from Inside Out, Scooby-Doo, Sofia the First, Frozen, and Monsters Inc., Nemo, and all kinds of fun toys. So we have Lydia here who's going to help us out. She's going to open up 5 of them, and then Luke is going to open up the rest.
Regular Kinder egg, and I'm going to unwrap it. That was a loud pop.
Oh, what's that?
It looks like some kind of...
It's Kung Fu Panda.
Oh, it's Kung Fu Panda. Kung Fu Panda's dad that works in
the noodle shop.
In the noodle shop.
Here, show the tag. That's cute.
This is the tag. And this is all of the Kung Fu Panda things that you could get inside the Kinder eggs.
And you also got that.
This is what I also got. So I'm going to put the chocolate back over there. And this is just a paper with other stuff on it.
What's that small little one right there?
Oh yeah, this is
a sticker.
A sticker.
Cool.
That you can put on there, I think.
There, yeah.
I don't know, but I'm gonna put that.
That was fun.
There. This is another one and it is a Scooby-Doo Kinder egg, and I'm gonna unwrap this one. Clear inside. F. Oh my god. It was stuck to it. There we go. This looks like
a car.
A car. With a
license plate
on the back. And I'm going to show you how it looks all put together at the end. And these are the cars that you could collect. And I think that we got the yellow one because it's yellow. And there's instructions on the back. And I'm going to show you how it is at the end of this video. And this is a Winnie the Pooh Kinder Egg. And I'm going to open up this one. This is nice. It's white on one side and brown on the other. So white chocolate and milk chocolate.
Got Piglet.
I have Piglet.
So cute. Okay, show everybody what's supposed to be inside.
What all of the toys are, if you could see it. You can see all the ones and it is a pencil topper. That's cool, you can see at the bottom. And you can also connect them on top of each other. It could be a pencil topper with other ones on top, because it has this that could go under another one, so then you could keep on stacking. So that's really cool. And this egg is a Finding Nemo egg. Kinder Egg, and I'm going to open up it. I'm going to open it up.
What's that?
It's
Oh,
a octopus from Finding Nemo. And now I'm going to show you all of the other ones that you could get inside the Kinder Eggs. Here's the Disney Pixar collection. If you could see that really clear. And I got this squid, the octopus, that's right at the corner over there that you could see. And this is an inside-out egg, a Disney inside-out egg, and I'm going to open it up. And it has sadness on the top. So it'll be cool if it's sadness. It is a
anger
eraser. There you go. Put this trash away. Look at that.
That's
has
pretty
like
cool.
fire on the background, and he's red, like he's supposed to be. And here's the Disney Pixar Inside Out collection. And I got anger. That's right over there.
Yeah.
The eraser. Over there. This turned out to be a balancing game toy that I got in the regular Kinder Egg, and you could balance the little cardboard stuff. This is a sticker that you could put on here for a show or something like that. And this is the race car that I got inside of the Kinder Egg that I forgot that it was. But I think it was in the... This turned out to be a balancing toy, and it was Kung Fu Panda's dad that I said earlier in this video. And you could balance these little cardboard, fake food stuff, things that you could put on his plates and try to play like that. And this is the race car that I got, that I made. And this came into Winnie the Pooh, and this is Piglet, and you put them on top of each other if you get another one of these. And this is a nice little squid toy that's plastic that you could play with or use for a souvenir or something like that. And this is a nice eraser but you cannot like put it on your pencil, but it's a nice eraser to just carry, or you could bring it at school or something like that, or keep it at home for homework. And I hope you like this video, and please stay tuned for more lovely Lovebird Designs videos.
This is my first egg is frozen. I'm going to be opened up today, and there might be a toy in that's in frozen. Hi, this is the egg, and I'm going to be opening the egg. That brown piece is all chocolate. tin is in here.
Go.
Hi, there might be a toy in here. Oh, there is a troll.
Show the troll.
And
Whoa. And here is the little packet that came with it. And the other little toys that come with it. Pretty cool.
hi, this is my next egg. It's Sofia the first. Now I might open it.
Come on.
And the toy is in here. And it's
Clover.
Clover!
Oh, so cute. We have a bunny rabbit. Here's what's supposed to be inside. What other ones you can get for Sophia. So that was a fun one, and he's so much bigger than the other one. See that?
I'm gonna do the funny little bill. I'm gonna open it today.
Oh, it's a half and half color. That's cool.
And it's in here. Whoa.
Yeah. Okay, what's inside?
And it's
Piglet.
Piglet.
Show everybody in the camera. It's Piglet. Let's see what's inside there. This is what's inside. What can be inside the Winnie the Pooh one?
Pooh.
The Winnie the Pooh. Okay, you can go.
Hi, I'm doing boxing now. Now I'm gonna open it.
Put it. Okay, let's see what's inside.
Now you can see what's inside here.
Here, let's open it up. Okay, take it out. What is it? Oh, show everybody.
Now
It's an octopus from Nemo, it looks like.
octopus.
Oh, it's the Disney Pixar collection. So we got the octopus. So cool.
My last egg. Now you can see what's in here.
Yeah. Need help?
So hard to open.
Yeah, it's a little hard. Oops, there it goes.
Now
Oh, show everybody what it is.
a wing flower.
A flower ring. What else is in here? There's another little part. What's this?
And this thing.
Oh, wow. Look at this. It looks like we have to put it together. Here, put it in the front. Let's look at the directions.
Now it's going to be with this.
So it's going to look like this.
This.
Okay. So it looks like you put the pink right there, and then put the flower, and then put the middle part, and press down, and it's a cute little flower ring. How adorable. This is the best one, I think. What, do you like this one? No? Which one was your favorite? Lydia, which one was your favorite? Okay, thank you for watching Lydia's unboxing, and please subscribe to Lovely Lovebird Designs. See you soon.